Hi my dear kids, in this class we are going to learn a very beautiful poem on rain. Do you like rain? Yes, everyone likes and enjoys the rain. Kids, adults, animals and plants also enjoys the rain. Rain is the great gift of God. Rain gives relief from heat which makes people happy. Rainy season cleans our environment from pollution. The rain brings a lot of changes in nature. Rivers, ponds are filled with water. The countryside looks green. The trees look green, shining and beautiful. So, in this class, we are going to learn a poem, The Rain. This poem is written by W.H. Davis, William Henry Davis. His poems reflects his love for nature and hardships he had faced in his life. The poet observed that how the rain falls on the trees, on the leaves, and he is enjoy in every moment. The poet has personified leaves. Now I will read the poem. Concentrate on the way of reading. I hear leaves drinking rain. I hear rich leaves on top, giving the poor beneath, drop after drop. It is a sweet noise to hear these green leaves drinking near. I hear leaves drinking rain. The poet observed the nature. He says that when the rain falls on the leaves, he could hear a beautiful sound and it appears as the leaves. It appears as the leaves, they are drinking rainwater. I hear rich leaves on top. The poet has divided leaves into two parts. The leaves on the top, the leaves which are beneath. Beneath means lower place. Beneath means lower place. Here is the sentence. The dolphins disappeared beneath the waves. The dolphins disappeared beneath the waves. The bushy tree has some leaves on the top, some leaves at the down. So he is saying the leaves on the top, which are leaves on the top, they are very rich because they get raindrops first, giving the poor beneath, drop after drop. It's a sweet noise to hear these green leaves drinking near, giving the poor beneath, drop after drop. Here the leaves growing lower on the tree. Here the leaves growing lower on the tree. When sometimes they will not get enough sunlight or rain, they are passing to the poor leaves which are beneath, drop after drop. It's a sweet noise to hear these green leaves drinking near. The poet says that it's a sweet noise to hear. When the rain falls on the leaves, to hear, this is a sweet noise. It's a pleasant noise. It's a pleasant sound. When the rain falls on the leaves, it's a sweet noise to hear. It's a pleasant noise to hear. When the green leaves drinking near. Which noise here? The noise of the raindrops. Noise means unpleasant sound. The noise of heavy rainfall is scary. The noise of heavy rainfall is scary. Now we can move to the next stanza. And when the sun comes out, after this rain shall stop, a wondrous light will fill each dark round drop. I hope the sun shines bright, it will be a lovely sight. And when the sun comes out, after this rain shall stop. The sun comes out and the rain shall stop. It means when the sun will appear, the rain will stop. A wondrous light will fill each dark round drop. An imaginary light appear into 7 rainbow colors will fill each dark round drop. The poet says that each drop which falls on the leaves, they will shine when the sun will appear, and they will shine with some wondrous light, and they sometimes the light will be appear into 7 colors. I hope the sun shines bright, it will be a lovely sight. I hope the sun shines bright, it will be a lovely sight. The poet tells here it will be a lovely sight, it will be a lovely location, it will be a lovely scene, it will be a lovely sight when the sun will shines after the rain. All the raindrops on the leaves, will shine and it will enjoy the scene. In this stanza, we have few difficult words. Here is the words with sentences. Wondrous, amazing, wondrous, amazing. Ooty is a wondrous place. Ooty is a wondrous place. Shine, glow with light. Shine, glow with light. The sun shines brightly in afternoon. The sun shines brightly in afternoon. Bright, give out much light. Bright, give out much light. A full moon is shining bright. A full moon is shining bright. Sight, power of seeing. Power of seeing. Joseph lost his sight as a baby. Joseph lost his sight as a baby. Children, do the leaves seem to enjoy the rain, or leaves are drinking rain? This shows that the leaves might be feeling happy now, that they have water to quench their thirst. Thank you, children.